Hi everyone! This video is called A Year of Decor, and it's actually a contest being put together by Heidi of Happily Thriving Heidi. She came up with the idea of showing a compilation video of the different ways you've styled your home throughout the seasons from December 2017 through October of 2018. Now, I haven't been on YouTube that long. I've only been on since the spring of 2018, but her rules were that you had to include at least 3 seasons or holidays. So I think I can manage to do that. So with that being said, I hope you'll check out my video as well as Heidi's channel and the other people in this contest. And she's going to pick out her 5 favorites and then ask that you all go vote on which one of her favorites you would like to see win. So it is a contest, and I will put a link to her video down below showing what the rules were and also a link to her channel. So please be sure again to check her out. And now stay tuned to see my home through the seasons.